Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make prison fudge using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant chocolate pudding mix, about 3.4 ounces, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Also, have 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter and 1/2 cup of milk ready. Finally, crush about 1/2 cup of cookies or crackers for texture. This simple recipe requires minimal tools and can be made almost anywhere. Now let's mix the base for our delicious fudge. In a sturdy bowl, combine the entire package of instant chocolate pudding mix with the 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next, add the 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Gradually pour in the 1/2 cup of milk, stirring continuously. Mix everything together until you achieve a thick, uniform paste. This step is crucial for a smooth and creamy texture, so take your time and mix well. Once your base is mixed, it's time to add some delightful texture. Gently fold in the 1/2 cup of crushed cookies or crackers. Make sure these are evenly distributed throughout the fudge mixture for a consistent crunch in every bite. Now, press the mixture firmly onto a clean, flat surface or inside a plastic bag. Shape it into a compact block, aiming for a thickness of about 1 inch. This will make it easier to handle and serve. The final step is to chill your fudge to perfection. Place the shaped fudge in a cool place, ideally a refrigerator, for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential for the fudge to set firmly and achieve its desired consistency. Once it's firm, carefully cut the block into small, bite-sized squares. You can serve your delicious, homemade prison fudge immediately or store it in an airtight container for later enjoyment. It's a surprisingly tasty treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.